Hey folks, welcome. Today's pattern is very melody focused and it's a fairly simple one, but it sounds complicated, but don't worry about it, you'll get it. It's just moving down the scale. But we've got some interesting rhythm happening within that melody. If just watching this is too much for you and you need to see it written down, you can find that over on my Patreon. Doesn't matter what level you pay for, even the lowest tier, you can still get access to it. But yeah, without further ado, let's dive in. We're going to start on the ding, keep it all together, and then we're going to start here on note 6 with the left hand, and we're just going to move down the scale, 6, 5, 4, but then we move up, just 1, and then continue to move down. So, back the way we came, and then we're going to finish all the way down here on note 1. So, ding, 6, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, like so. With that, really practice moving down in that order. And then once you feel comfortable with it, if you don't, pause the video, keep practicing, but if you do, next step, we're going to get a little flam in there, a little kind of accent note, which makes it really fun. So on this turnaround where we come from the 4 back up to the 5, we're actually going to play this 4 ever so gently again, just before we strike that 5 with a little bit more of an accent. So you hear how the 4 is quieter and the 5 is louder. So in context, right? And in that second half, instead of going all the way down, we're just playing 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, fairly simple. 5, 5, 4. So we're mixing up that melody a little bit. So, ding. And that's the whole thing, right? So you've got that nice little turnaround there. Once you get that, it's really fun to play. If you haven't got that, we can play exactly the same thing, but just move it up the scale, right? Start in a different place. It's exactly the same pattern. Instead of starting on note 6, I'm starting on note 8. The movement, still the same, right? 8, 7, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 8, 7, 6, 7, 7, 6, 8, 7, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 8, 7, 6, 7, 7, 6. And then when you play those two things next to each other, now suddenly you've got movement, you've got music, and you can loop around on that all day. Again, if this is a bit too tricky to follow, grab the notation and then you'll get it. If you want to explore, if you're on a different scale as well, and you want to kind of show off what different melodies you come up with, come and hang out in the WhatsApp chat. Come and share that with all the other handpanuary friends. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, if this is like a solo journey for you, also cool. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.